Friends, a very big news come in from the fighting world. So Hamza Chimaev fight with Dylan Dennis in RAF 10, and both the fighters ends with a big brawl. Because this brawl comes at the end of the fight, not at the till the fight didn't end, because both the fighters started well, and from the starting, this is the first fight of uh, Hamza Chimaev in RAF 10, and he has to fight Dylan Dennis. So this was a great test for both the fighters. Hamza Chimaev is a good wrestler, as we know that, and he is decided to join RAF. And for the RAF history, it is the very big news, because this is the biggest sign RAF ever did. So joining RAF for Hamza Chimaev is also a profitable, because he can learn a lot from the RAF. So what happened? Uh, uh, both the fighters when entered for the fighting wrestling. Then at starting, Hamza Chimaev got a early point, a early takedown. So Dylan Dennis got a ground position, and Hamza Chimaev as uh, as a good advantage or upper hand in the wrestling match. But what happens? Dylan Dennis just break the rules, because he tried to take the guillotine. Dylan Dennis he tried to choke Hamza Chimaev. He put a guillotine choke on Hamza Chimaev, but this is illegal in the RAF, because this is not legal, because this is a wrestling fight. This is not MMA fight. But what I want to say, that Dylan Dennis must have to learn all the rules of any fight when he go to enter any fight. So he attempted wrestling, and right now he don't know the rule of wrestling. Then it's bad, and he did that joke. After that joke, he put as that joke, the referee separates both the fighters. Then Hamza Chimaev kicked Dylan Dennis, and after the kicking of Hamza Chimaev, Dylan Dennis also tried, but he did not success in replying the kick of Hamza Chimaev. And these finally convert into a brawl, as a big brawl. Then public came and separate both the fighters, and the fighter finally, Hamza Chimaev, got the win. But this is not a true or good end of the fight. So first, those people who don't know about Dylan Dennis, I want to clear that. I want to say, just inform them, that Dylan Dennis is the same guy Habib Nurmagomedov jumped the cage while Habib Nurmagomedov versus Conor McGregor happened, UFC 329. And so at that moment, the reason of jump of Habib Nurmagomedov is this guy Dylan Dennis. And right now, that moment, Habib Nurmagomedov kicked Dylan Dennis. And right now, in 2026, Hamza Chimaev kicked Dylan Dennis. So both the guy kicked Dylan Dennis. And right now, Dylan Dennis is the person who got, who after the fight dirty, making the fight dirty, got the kicked from different time in a different fighter. And from that guy from this guy from Chechnya, and that guy from Dagestan, for both the fighters. But now, what is the comment of Conor McGregor came? I'm going to wait what he reply about this, because after just a moment of time, 329 of Conor McGregor is going to come. At that moment, 229 was there, and right now 329 is going to come. So this is a very interesting moment, very interesting time. Now the Conor McGregor may drag all this issue to the press conference of UFC 329. So I'm interested in the reply of Conor McGregor and all the situation. So Habib is going to, the name of Habib is going to drag in the press conference of Conor McGregor. Though at this not a good way this fight ends, but as this fight ends, this is bad for the fans. How this fight must not be end like this. So what do you people think about this? Just comment below.